Now what we have done with all those stuff is to start uploading the video. So for uploading, we will click on this icon, which is this icon, and there will be upload video. Okay, and we will go and upload. So here you can just select your file and start uploading video. ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं करना है. You take your some video and it will upload. Here you will write title, description, thumbnail. Playlist is like what you want, in which playlist you want. And since we have already said it is not made for you kids, it will come here. The title, description and thumbnail. All these things are separately art in itself. But initially, let's say today I am telling you, initially you don't have to think about all those things. So right now I'm just filling it and going to next. All this just forgot. We will just forget it because next time we will tell you all those things. Next, no copyright found, next. And it will ask you whether it want to it private, unlisted or public. Correct? So private is only you can watch it. Unlisted means only people who have the link, this link can watch it, and public is everyone can watch it. So I will keep it private right now. I don't want to this thing, and I can schedule also before going to the public. I can schedule next tomorrow morning, and this schedule is the feature which will be used like for one Sunday. You can sit and schedule for 1 month content. You don't have to do it regularly. Time ki kami hai na, we are so busy, so we will manage time in this way, and then we save and it will go to the world.